Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Tulsa Central. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Tulsa, Oklahoma hotel is 5 miles from the Tulsa International Airport and 10 miles from the Tulsa Zoo and Living Museum. The hotel features a seasonal outdoor pool and guest rooms with free Wi-Fi. Days Inn Tulsa Central includes a sauna and a gym for guests' use. Laundry facilities are also available on site. A complimentary grab-and-go breakfast is offered daily. Guest rooms at the Tulsa Central Days Inn are equipped with a flat-screen TV, microwave and refrigerator. The Hard Rock Casino is located 9 miles from the hotel. The University of Tulsa is 6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.